Karin, tell us the latest at Fancast. What's going on there? What are the newest things on the site? Numbers, anything like that?
Yeah, so what's new is we launched our on-demand online product last year, which is the first iteration of TV Everywhere on Fancast, which is amazing because now Comcast subscribers can watch all their premium content online, on demand for free as part of their subscription whenever they want. So, you know, we're sort of always polishing that up, getting all the great interface and user flows just right for that product, as well as getting ready to launch some cool multi-platform features like our DVR and VOD bookmarking on the site.
And what will those look like, and how will consumers interact with them? And do you have to, presumably you have to be a Comcast customer to use that?
Yeah, so those are for Comcast subscribers. And I think what's great about them is you'll use the site just like you do now, search, nav, browse for content. And what our consumers will see is the buttons, those consumption buttons, right there where they're learning about content. So if you search and end up on the Lost page on Fancast, you'll see a button to play the episode, a button to push it to your DVR, a button where you can bookmark it on VOD, and also will be telling you what time it's on television.
And what's the time frame for rolling out those features?
The features are ready. With our DVR integration is kind of rolling out through the Comcast market. So we think by the end of Q2 we should have national coverage for those within the Comcast footprint.
Now, TV Everywhere started to roll out in December.
Yeah.
It's February. I know it's still early. Do you have a sense yet on the Fancast side of how it's going? Is it bringing more traffic to your site? Just different types of interaction?
Sure. We are definitely getting additional traffic from the TV Everywhere audience, and we see them interacting with the site about 2 or 3x what a regular user does. So for instance, they watch 2 to 3 times more video. They spend 2 to 3 times more minutes on the site. So far so good. I mean, when they get to the site, they really see the value proposition. They think it's a great product, and they're coming back.
Thank you, Karin.
Yeah.
Twitter about and so forth. But anyway, thanks very much for coming.
He wants to do his work for.
Yeah. That's right. Speaking of my work.